Unlocking the meaning of latch onto someone. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, latch onto someone. This phrase can be a bit tricky, but don't worry, we're going to break it down together. So, let's get started and unlock its meanings and uses. Latch onto someone is an idiomatic expression that can be understood in two main contexts: emotional and behavioral. At its core, this phrase talks about forming a strong attachment to someone. But it's not just any kind of attachment. It often implies a degree of intensity or dependency. When we say someone has latched onto another person emotionally, it means they have developed a strong emotional bond or dependency. This could be because they admire the person, feel a strong connection, or rely on them for emotional support. It's important to note that this isn't always negative. For example, after moving to a new city, Maria latched onto her coworker, who showed her around and introduced her to new friends. On the other hand, latch onto someone can also describe a situation where someone becomes very dependent on another person for their decisions, actions, or for guidance. This can sometimes be seen in negative light, especially if the person is perceived as clingy or overly dependent. For instance, John has really latched onto his mentor, copying not just his work habits but his entire lifestyle. Understanding the context is key to using latch onto someone correctly. It's a versatile phrase but can convey a wide range of emotions and behaviors, from positive attachments formed out of admiration and need for guidance, to more negative connotations of dependency and lack of independence. And that's a wrap on latch onto someone. We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing expression and how it can be used in different contexts. Remember, language is all about nuance and understanding the deeper meanings behind words and phrases. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Keep exploring the beauty of English, and happy learning!